Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Rogue brake light easy method. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off. Open the hatch and remove the trim panel to reach the taillight assembly. Remove 2 screws, gently pull the assembly out, and twist the bulb socket to release it. Replace the bulb, test the brake light, and reassemble the trim and screws. Once the hatch is open, fold back the trunk liner and remove the 2 screws holding the taillight. Pull the assembly outward gently. It should release without force. Locate the brake light bulb socket and twist it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull the old bulb straight out and inspect the socket for corrosion. If all looks clean, install the new bulb by pushing and twisting the socket back into place. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you fix things. I find it light and long-lasting, and it pairs nicely with weekend maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the socket unlocked, remove the old bulb and insert the new one until it seats firmly. Rotate the socket clockwise to secure it, then gently push the taillight assembly back into place. Reinstall the 2 screws and tuck the trunk liner back. Before finishing, press the brake pedal or ask someone to help confirm the light works. If it does, close the hatch and you're done with a quick and safe repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.